Hello people. Today we're going to talk about Zylmex and Motormax B-52 Stratofortress. This first example we have has a dark green paint job. United States Air Force stickers. And then the American flag on the back wing there is a sticker. The bombs are silver. The front landing gear and the rear landing gear are the old style pressed in plastic posts with the machined metal wheels. Markings. This one shows the old Z logo and the Zylmex name. And on the other side, it just says B-52. And then right down the center, we see it says A116. And at the end of the airframe, it says Hong Kong. So this is one of the early Dyna-Flights. Very cool.
Now, engineers will add a brand new engine to the plane and give it power to get the 60-year-old aircraft through 2050 and beyond.
This next example has a Air Force gray paint job, and then the Air Force markings are printed on instead of stickers. And now we've got an actual unit indicated on the back wing there, and it's also printed, yet the Air Force roundel is a sticker. And then on the bottom we have black bombs. That one has I see this a lot, and it's very classic to see these bombs split on one side but still holding on. And then we have the metal posts that are integrated into the body of the plane with casted wheels instead of machined metal wheels. And all the markings have been changed. The A116 marking is gone, and now it's called an A141. It doesn't say made in Hong Kong, it says made in China. I have to assume that there's at least one or two variations between this one and that one. This is a pretty big jump.
Yeah, well, you're getting out of here. I'll get out when you get out. Sure, Chuck, sure.
Alright, so this next example, pretty much the exact same plane, but it has gray bombs or silver. They're not black anymore. And instead of a sticker saying made in China, we have the mold was actually changed to include that. It's interesting. Alright, so this next example has a camouflage pattern to it, but it still has a sticker for the roundel. It still has the same Air Force unit. Gray bombs and all the markings are still the same, so looks like that's the only difference here, is just a different paint job. Now when we look through the Intex Z catalogs, we don't see this model at all. It's only the 1995 and 1996 Zyl catalogs.
What happened? I don't know. Something in the new test panel. I'd better get on the long line to headquarters. They'll want to know about this.
But you don't see these three airplanes in any of the catalogs prior to that. But like I said, I only have the Intex Z catalogs. If there's a Zylmex catalog produced, directly from the company Zylmex, then maybe they show that catalog. Foreign catalogs may show it, but the two foreign catalogs I have don't. And then this is going to be the last example I have. And we go back to the old, the gray finish without the camouflage. The roundel's still a sticker. The bombs are still gray. All the markings are the same except for the printed lot number. And I still don't know what these numbers, this black printed number, what it signifies. So this is a Motormax product, while this one here would have been the Zyl, and then these three were all made through Intex. Thanks for watching, people. Make it a great day.
Each wing holds up to 9 weapons, missiles, mines, smart and laser-guided bombs. Inside, there's room for 27 more, as well as 8 nuclear cruise missiles. This gives the Buff a massive payload of different weapon configurations.